In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Vivacut app. So if you are receiving a lot of alerts from this AI video editor app, then let me show you how you can put an end to that. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access Vivacut app information page for you to be able to stop these notifications. To do that, just go to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see apps. Now from here you will see manage apps or all apps depending on your Android smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Then scroll down until you see Vivacut, and here it is. You can also search for your app using the search app option here. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see we are on the app info page. If you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get there. For that, just go to your app, and once you find it, go ahead and long press on it, and now you can see we have app info. Tap on it. At this point, scroll down to permissions section and then look for notifications. Currently, you can see notifications are on, and that's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and this will go ahead and stop all notifications or alerts from Vivacut app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Vivacut app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.